Hello my dear children, welcome back. Let's begin the remaining topic of the chapter 7, Changing Cultural Tradition. In previous video children, we discussed about that flourished cities which were being ruined during the downfall of Roman Empire. These cities once again going to revive with the help of trading along with the other European countries. So now we are going to proceed forward with the same, how the development, education and different kind of architecture took place in this country. Let's begin with the first topic, universities and humanism. So universities were very popular in European cities since from the ancient time around 11th century, and people were very educated. The demand of lawyers and notaries were very high due to the expansion of trading and commerce. So hence we can say that the establishment of universities and schools and education policies were very popular and very brief and detailed. So in this way the development was very vigorous towards the different area. The education policy was changed and implemented in a different manner because according to the Italian philosopher, they believe that only the religious talk or the religious teaching cannot increase the knowledge of people. So they begin with the new policy of education, and for that they established several topics like history and philosophy of human and other subjects, poetry and grammar. For that particular people were being assigned to teach, and these people were called as humanists. So the person who used to teach the subject like English grammar or poetry and history were called as humanists. And along with this term, humanism became very popular because only religious teaching cannot fulfill the knowledge of people. So it was believed by the philosophers that the teaching should be along with the humanism.
Children, let's understand the meaning of humanism more broadly. Humanism is to increase the human being's feeling or idea, not under the Pope or God. Humanism is the important to the human being because of religion could not teach everything or all information to the students. Teaching life on the earth is more important than after death. For this, several schools and the universities were opened. Purpose of education is to make the complete men and happy men, to be wealthy and enjoy the life more important. So these were the main theories and the conclusion of the humanism at that time. In this way, humanist view of history became changed when they brought their ideas towards it.
So children, next topic is the humanist view of history. So humanist view of history is divided into three categories. On the basis of that, we can say number one, they said the time period when the Roman Empire completely ruined away from Europe, it was assumed as a dark age. And later on, when gradual some changes and the re-establishment took place, that time period was the new age. It was around 14th century. And after 15th century, humanists believed that it is the time period of modern age. So in this way, humanist view of history was divided into several categories. Now next topic is science and philosophy, the contribution of Arabs. So in this topic we will come to know about how the Arabian people contributed their role towards the science and philosophy. See children, till 14th century people were well aware about the language like Greek and Roman, but it was not popular all across the world or other part of Europe.
Children, let us see the contribution of Arabs towards the science. Much of the writings of Greeks and Romans had been familiar to the monks and clergymen through the Middle Age, but this language was not popular to others. So around 14th century, other scholars were unable to translate the Greek and Latin work. Then they started translating towards the Arabian books. Now, these books were translations of Greeks and Indian books many centuries ago. So Greekers like philosophers Plato, Aristotle, their books in medicine, astronomy and chemistry became very popular. Copernicus proved the earth is not center of universe. So, the Earth planet revolves around the Sun, but this book was not published because of Pluto. Further, Kepler proved about the theory of rotation of Earth. Galileo came and invented telescope, and Newton gave the gravitational law. With this, the Greek science became very popular. Children, let's have close look upon amazing fact about the changing cultural tradition in Europe. The city in Italy, Florence, was very popular and it was amazing city. It was the place of great holiday. The villages and the popular town construction was very attractive. And these places are well known for their architectural design. Next fact is about the scientific invention and the discoveries. Galileo, as we all know, he is the father of modern observational astronomy. Also, the theory of Pythagoras very popular in mathematics. Along with that, Leonardo da Vinci was another example in scientific invention.
Now, next topic we will discuss in the remaining lecture. There again the interesting things we are going to discuss, that is about the role of Arabians towards the contribution of art and architecture and literary work.
Children, let's do some short questionnaire. The masters who taught grammar, poetry, history, etc. in 15th century were called as clergies, humanists, philosophers or artists. Second question is, after the downfall of Roman Empire, humanists believed the time period as modern age, middle age, dark age or new age. Answer all these questions in comment section. Thank you so much.